You give, you love, you try, and yet he pulls away. You're warm, available, and consistent, but still, he loses interest. Why? Because emotional desire isn't born from comfort. It's born from tension, mystery, and depth. Carl Jung, one of the greatest minds in psychology, understood this deeply. He believed that true attraction is not simply about surface-level traits. It's about what lies in the unconscious, the shadow, and the emotional energy you bring into a dynamic. Here are two Jungian principles that, when applied correctly, create emotional intensity that a man can't ignore. 1. Emotional scarcity. Jung taught us that the psyche longs for what it doesn't have, for what's missing. When you are constantly available, giving, explaining, proving yourself, you eliminate the emotional tension that desire needs to survive. To spark obsession, you must create space for his imagination to fill. Withdraw with dignity. Speak less. Let your silence do the talking. Let your absence raise questions in his mind. This isn't about manipulation. It's about allowing him to feel the value of your presence by experiencing your absence. 2. The mystery of the Anima. In Jungian theory, every man carries an unconscious image of the ideal woman, the Anima. She is not predictable, overly logical, or constantly explaining herself. She is felt, not figured out. To embody this, stop oversharing. Stop managing his emotions. Stop trying to be understood. Instead, let your emotions have layers. Let your energy remain partially unknown. A man becomes obsessed not with what he has, but with what he can't quite define. You don't need to chase, convince, or control. You need to return to your center, your grounded, magnetic presence. In the end, obsession isn't about games. It's about creating a dynamic that mirrors the dance of the unconscious. Be the mystery that pulls him in. Be the calm he can't predict. Be the storm that never needs to speak loudly. And watch what happens.